Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Well, today's recipe is going to be a healthy one as I'm going to use a special ingredient which is peanut butter from Myfitness brand. Myfitness is India's first US FDA registered peanut butter brand. Myfitness has emerged as a premium quality nutritional product supplier in a big scale during the last 3 years in India. They have got 4 flavors of peanut butter: original, chocolate, natural and honey. I've got 2 flavors of peanut butter for me. One is chocolate and the other one is natural. The ones I have got are 1.25 kg each, but you can get other sizes also according to your requirement. And they have sent these products in thoughtful and damage-free packing. So you can see they are well packed in this kind of boxes. So the packaging is very good and the containers are also very sturdy and of high quality. Let me show you the other one also. And coming to the product, the quality of all their products are always top class. Their peanut butter contains high protein, healthy fat, zero cholesterol and zero trans fat, making it a healthy product for daily use. Now let's open the chocolate peanut butter first. I will scoop out with a spoon and show you the texture. Wow, as you can see, it has a smooth, creamy texture. The taste is super awesome and your kids are also going to love this. This one is the natural variant. It does not contain any sugar, salt or preservative and purely natural. Let's open and check it out. This one also has a very smooth, creamy and silky texture and looks yum. Overall, an awesome product. All in all, the aim of Myfitness is to give every household access to high quality, tasty and nutritious food products while providing value for money. In their factories, they maintain the highest level of hygiene and you can view the certification in their website. And if you want to order Myfitness peanut butter, I have given the link of their website in the description section of this video. You can get special discount with the code mentioned there. Also, you can order the same from Amazon and I have given the Amazon link as well. And now let's start with today's recipe, which is chocolate peanut butter smoothie. So to make healthy chocolate peanut butter smoothie, you will need just 3 ingredients. The first ingredient is banana. Slice 1 ripe banana into a mixer or blender jar. Next goes 250 ml of chilled milk. And finally, the third ingredient, which is Myfitness chocolate peanut butter, adding 2 tablespoons of it. Now close the blender jar and we need to blend this into a smooth puree. This is done. And friends, here goes our healthy and yummy chocolate peanut butter smoothie into the serving glass. You can enjoy this after workout or during breakfast. Also, you can try your favorite peanut butter flavor on a slice of bread. Generously apply all over the bread slice. Next, place some banana slices on the bread slice and enjoy as a healthy breakfast along with a glass of smoothie. So now I'm going to enjoy this, and friends, if you like my today's video, then do like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.